Today unboxing is the pair of Lamborghini Huracan from MINI GT. These are the third batch for this month release. Both of them come with the standard LBWK box design. And now let's take a closer look at the Lamborghini Huracan in white. Standard authentication stickers at the back, MINI GT social media channel, and also this casting is a right-hand drive. Clean and sleek casting in white with very distinctive red stripes. The casting is clean with detailed engine compartment. I also like the carbon fiber treatment for the rear wing. The wheel sets are very striking in red, very similar to the Japanese flag. The livery are sharp and legible. And you can see the tagline, imagine all the people living in peace. Highlights is definitely the details on the headlights. I think it's very awesome. Although in white, the door lines are clear. Clean details on the rear with striking exhaust. And overall, a very presentable casting for the LBWK series. Next, the Lamborghini Huracan in green, standard authentication sticker and license info. And this Lamborghini Huracan version 2 is in right-hand drive. Wow, very nice and cool paint job. Candy finish looking paint job without the metallic treatment. The whole casting is in high gloss, realistic wheel sets that comes in black. Very detailed interior including the engine compartment. I like the carbon fiber treatment for the spoiler and also the details for the grille. I think it's very detailed. Similar treatment for the exhaust just like the version 1 with the Liberty Walk car plate. The version 1 and 2 LBWK Lamborghini Huracan looks fantastic as a pair, and they will definitely look great in diecast photography and also in your LBWK collection. Stay tuned for more MINI GT unboxing, and remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye! These awesome Tarmac Works casting are random giveaway to my lucky subscribers who actively like, comment and share my videos in this channel. 3 lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win a pair of these Tarmac Works casting. I will select and pick the 3 lucky subscribers this week.